beware of encouraging sin. And that can happen so subtly when using social media. Beware of encouraging sin. What is the obligation, by the way? We all know the answer. When you see a sin in front of you, what are the obligations? To change it with your hand, if you are an authority. If you can't change it with your hand, what do? We change it with our speech. If you can't change it with your speech, what do you change it with? Your heart. And that is the weakest of iman. طيب. These are the options. This is the order of obligation. Interestingly, that there are some people who disregard this completely and they go for a fourth option. Instead of changing it with their hands or with their mouths or just staying quiet about it but feeling pain, they encourage the sin. They promote the behavior. And that's exactly what you have done, what I have done when we see that image and we click like. What are you doing? That's sin by association. Or when you share, or when you drop a comment that does not help that brother, that sister come out of their darkness, their sin. That's sin by association. And that is why Amirul Mu'mineen, Umar ibn Abdul Aziz, he once, or his people, arrested a group that were caught drinking alcohol in the city. This is haram in Islam, and the punishment, the capital punishment, or was about to carry out upon them, which is lashing. So there was one man who said, I wasn't drinking alcohol with them, I was fasting. He said, okay, inshallah, we'll begin with you. The punishment will begin. What are you doing sat with them? You're fasting. Why didn't you advise them? Why didn't you move away? That is what we call sin by association. So just him being there without saying anything, Umar radiallahu anhu understood, rahimahullah, that he is to deserve the same punishment for not speaking out against it. And then he quoted the ayah from Surah An-Nisa, where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَقَدْ نَزَّلَ عَلَيْكُمْ فِي الْكِتَابِ أَنْ إِذَا سَمِعْتُمْ آيَاتِ اللَّهِ يُكْفَرُ بِهَا وَيُسْتَهْزَأُ بِهَا فَلَا تَقْعُدُوا مَعَهُمْ حَتَّى يَخُوضُوا فِي حَدِيثٍ غَيْرِهِ. That Allah has already revealed to you in the book that if you hear people mocking the signs of Allah or disbelieving in Allah, then don't sit with them until they talk about something else. إِنَّكُمْ إِذًا مِثْلُهُمْ. Otherwise you will be just like them. The same sin. If you're sat in that gathering, you don't move. What then of somebody who encourages through a like or a share or an encouragement? So you see a brother who posts an image, or he posts, let's say, a status, and there is clear backstabbing here. He's venting his frustration of another shaykh, another student of knowledge. It's clear backstabbing. You drop a comment, you're like, you show him who's boss, bro. Yeah, you go for it. Show him what you made out of. You're right, I'm with you on that. Expect the same sin from Allah if he is sinful. Or a sister of ours who posts an image of herself that really compromises her religion. And then a sister, instead of saying to her, dear sister, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you, may Allah strengthen you, keep this for your husband, keep this for your maharim, remember what you will look like when the maggots start eating into your eyes and eating into your intestines, a week after your death, when your body swells up, and remember, you give her these heart softeners. Her sister advises her, no, you click the like button. You've just encouraged her to continue. If this person is sinful, expect the same share for yourself. Yes? So beware of encouraging the sin, dear brothers and sisters.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.